Hi, today's question is, what is this dashboard button for?
Please support the channel with thanks or super thanks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join membership.
If you drive a Toyota or most modern cars, this is your dashboard brightness control. Press or hold it and watch this. Your entire instrument cluster adjusts instantly. At night, it reduces glare so your eyes don't strain, and in daylight, it boosts brightness so everything stays readable. Small button, big difference is one of these features you don't notice until you actually use it. Now check your car. Button, dial, or touchscreen slider. Drop what you have got in the comments.